Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to prepare a famous Mangalorean dish called prawns hingauda, and these are the ingredients which we need to prepare this dish. So now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and let it heat for some time. Now I'm going to add 15 dry red chilies, that's badgi, and I will fry it for some time till it's well coated in the oil. But we have to make sure that we are going to roast these chilies in a low flame so that it doesn't get burned. And now after this we are going to add all the ingredients into the mixie jar, and we make sure that it comes to a very fine smooth paste. So keep on grinding it with little bit of water till it comes to a fine smooth paste. And this is the consistency we are looking for. As you can see, it's well blended. All the ingredients are mixed well, and this is the consistency we are looking for. Now I'm adding this paste into the pan, and this is gonna be our base for the recipe. I have added some water to the mixie jar, and I'll now transfer it to the pan. Now we are going to give it a quick mix and let it simmer for some time until we get a boil. So as you know, this dish is called prawns hingauda. Hingauda basically translates to, in Konkani language, is asafoetida water. A mixture of asafoetida and tamarind in this recipe gives a unique taste to this dish. Now we are going to mix this gravy for like 3 to 4 minutes till it comes to a boil. Now I am going to add 2 slit green chilies to this gravy. Now we'll let this cook for like 2 minutes, and then we are going to add the prawns. Here I'm going to add 500 grams of fresh prawns which are deshelled and deveined. After adding all the prawns, now we are going to simmer it for another 2 minutes. And as I told you, this dish is called prawns hingauda. So we are going to make the asafoetida water now. Before adding this hingauda, that is asafoetida water, I am going to add the salt as per taste and let it boil. And now I'm going to add the asafoetida water. Now give a quick mix and let it simmer for another 5 to 8 minutes. Now as the last step, we are going to add 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, and I've already switched off the flame. And now I'm going to cover it for 5 minutes and serve this dish hot along with your rice, chapati. We in Mangalore, we like to have it with our boiled rice. You can have it with chapati or white rice. Do try this out, guys. Like and share this recipe with everyone you know. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.